The 2024 Fleetwood Flex is built for bigger family fun, with a 36-foot overall length and sleeping options for the whole family. Vacuum bond floors, walls, and ceilings provide peace of mind, and the 82-inch interior height really makes it feel roomy. The kitchen is well appointed with solid surface countertops, an undermount sink, and stainless steel appliances. There's a Whirlpool washer and dryer across from your king-size bed, full bath, and multiplex touchscreen control system. The convertible dinette, jackknife sofa, and electric Hide-A-Loft provide plenty of sleeping space. Come see our wide selection of travel trailers, fifth wheels, toy haulers, and motorhomes at a Great American RV Superstore near you or at greatamericanrv.com.